Good afternoon, students. Today, in moral science, we will start a new chapter, chapter 5, a good leader. In this chapter, we have to understand about a good leader. A good leader is a person who inspires people and makes them perform great tasks. That means he himself works, but he inspires also other people. So now, according to the American author Napoleon Hill, a good leader has the following qualities. Number one, unwavering courage. That means he stands courageously in all situations. Number second, self-control. He has full control over the emotions. Next, a pleasing personality. Okay. Next number is a keen sense of justice. That means everywhere he will justice. And definiteness of plans. That means whenever he makes good plans and implements them with intelligence and enthusiasm. Next is definiteness of decisions. That means always he decide the right way. Willingness to assume full responsibility. That means he will work with full responsibility. And next point is sympathetic and understanding. That means he is sympathetic and considerate towards his supporters. That means there should be kindness. Mastery of details. That means he is well aware of all the relevant, intricate details. That means his knowledge of the concerned aspect is complete. Now let us see one example. Who can be a real leader? Once upon a time, a king ordered his two sons to build two large aqueducts. Aqueduct means canal. Two sons. Okay. So first of all, you understand that once what happened in that country, drought came. That means in that year did not rain. That's why there was lackness of water. Drought means सूखा पड़ गया था. So two brothers, now king ordered that you have to make the canals within 2 years. Elder brother started and he used the villagers to make the canals, soldiers and the money of prime ministers, and he completed the work. After that, younger brother also did the work, and he also very well did the work, completed. But what were the differences? Elder brother used, that means he told them to the soldiers and villagers to work, but he did not work. Okay, and he did not pay the full money to the workers. And younger brother completed the work, but with them with them means with workers and soldiers he worked also, and villagers also happy with them, and they together work the making the canals, and they completed the work, and villagers and people were very happy with younger brother. That's why next king after the his father, he announced that younger brother will be the king. That's why, dear students, you have to understand that a leader is a person who has support of masses. Masses means all the people, groups. He is a role model for many people. Okay, this is the definition for the leader or the real leader. Okay, thank you, students.